Hi everyone, it's Arthur from zebrahomecinema.com. As you can see behind me, we've had a brand new racking system installed for all the audiovisual equipment. This was expertly done by Kane from Virtuous Integration, and this is the introduction to that video. And I have to warn you now that some viewers may find the following scenes disturbing.
This is pretty commonplace where the rack is kind of forgotten, not ignored but forgotten at the install of a system, and you end up with shelving like this. Now it's in theory is great, but you end up with a really difficult system to work with. So the cabling management is always a disaster on products on installs like this, and servicing and product replacement and fault finding is near impossible with systems like this when you've got no real access to the back of the equipment. So what we're doing today is replacing it with a Middle Atlantic slide out rack. There's a lot of work involved because this is a living system at the moment. It has a Control 4 processor in here which is looking after the house, so we can't just turn it all off. We've got to firstly move the Control 4 unit out and put it into another location that can continue to run the house. We'll lose a few things like the Zigbee control of the lighting in here, but that's okay since I'm the only person in here working on the rack. Everything else will basically be taken out. Some of the things you need to do, a little bit of housekeeping really, is label everything. So even though it's all being redressed and all the cables being replaced, all the link cables are being replaced, label everything. So trusty label printer, and job number 1 is to get everything labeled. Job number 2 is then all the equipment comes out and put safe in the room, and then cabinet out, and then we work on building the Middle Atlantic rack in. A bit of a challenge in here, we've got a sloped floor. So we're using a slide out Middle Atlantic AXS R, I think it's called, cabinet, which is going to slide out here. So we've got a platform that allows us to adjust to compensate for that slope. So that's one of the other challenges we had. But yeah, first job is to get everything labelled and get everything out of the cabinet. And the old cabinets come out, and we wanted to show you the previous install condition. So firstly, the lighting. Take a quick look at the lighting wiring, and then these are the various cables. To be honest, it didn't matter because it was behind the cabinet, so no one could see it. But take a look inside here. Take a look inside the bottom there. Have a look at that. So there's a few rats in there in that nest. But anyway, we're tidying it all up now, so it'll be fine. It's just a bit more work to do. Oh, the joys! There you go.
So we hope you found that video useful. The main take-home message being, make sure that you get a professional installation done, make sure that your installer knows exactly what they're doing, make sure the job is neat, and that there's some sort of methodology, labeling, and all the sort of sensible things that go on to save hassle later on down the line. If you need any further information, if you'd like us to get involved with your project, visit our website zebrahomecinema.com or call us 0121 405 1007.